Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. What we respect is Miss Maula Khairunisa, a lecturer, and my dear friends. We thanks God for the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who has given us blessing and guidance so that we can carry out the presentation this afternoon. Introduce me, Adawiyah, as a moderator of Group 8, who will organize the presentation. Before starting the presentation, let's we say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, I will introduce my group members, namely Adawiyah, Wildan, Ina, and Sarah. We from Group 8 will present our work, which is a review film entitled Merindu Cahaya de Amstel. For the first explanation will be delivered by Ina. Time is yours.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for your time. Here I will explain about the movie. Movie released in January 20 and 2022 in Indonesia. Director B. Hadroh Deng Ratu, direction Hadroh Deng Ratu, and duration 107 minutes. Author Beni Setiawan, and gender religious drama. Distributor Maxstream. Cast of this movie: Amanda Rawless as Siti Khadijah, Brian Domeni as Nicholas Van Dyck, and Rachel Amanda as Kamla, who is Siti Khadijah best friend, Oki Setiawan Dewi as Fatimah, Ridwan Remin as Joko Maudi, Kusnadi as Kamala Mother, Dewi Irawan as Aunty Kamala, Rita Nurmaliza Alizar, Floris Guzman as Nils, Yasmin Karsing, Angel Roloff as Marin or Khadijah Mother. And that's all I can see, more or less sorry. I'll return it to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ina. For the second explanation will be delivered by Adawiyah. Time is yours. Okay, thank you, moderator, for the time. I will explain about movie synopsis. The film Merindu Cahaya de Amstel tells the story of a man named Nicholas Van Dyck, an architecture student who works as a photographer and on the sidelines of his busy schedule in college. One day, when he has photographing the atmosphere and visitors to the Plain Museum, his camera accidentally caught the figure of a hijab girl named Khadijah. Khadijah is a woman who emigrated where her past was very dark. In his dark times, in his dark time, she met Fatimah. She was a good woman. From Fatimah, Khadijah learned a lot of knowledge about Islam. And finally, Khadijah convert to Islam. And Nicholas convert to Islam too. because he want to get his love for Khadijah. This film is based off the romance novel by Arumi A and is inspired by the true story of a convert. This film not only tells the story of a woman who embraced Islam, but there are stories of friendship, even a love triangle that is present in this film. So I want to access content of the film. Have an interesting storyline. First, have an interesting storyline with this the audience can enjoy the storyline. Second, communicative presentation. Third, can explain the conflict which is quite complex. And then the message contained in this film is very suitable to be watched by all people, ranging from teenagers to the elderly. And then the music is good so the audience can enjoy it. And last, beautiful urban country backgrounds. Okay, I will return to moderator. Okay, thank you. For the third explanation, will be delivered by Wildan. Time is yours.
Okay. Weakness of the film. Predictable storyline. In some part of the music is too much. Comparison of movie and novel. When compared between the novel and the film, this novel has a longer storyline. So there is a slight difference in the storyline with the film, and the character in the novel are not as many as in the film. Then in the film, the story is more about a love triangle, while in the book it is more about the process of searching for identity and the process of seeking God. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So the last explanation will be delivered by Sarah. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. In my opinion, this film can be said to be successful because it can convey the content or purpose of a good film, so that it can inspire many people. In this film, teaches us to continue to live life as religious people, and we still have to treat people who look down on us well. That way, the person will realize that we are not as bad as they think. And the fact is that this film has been watched by approximately 401,271 people throughout Indonesia. Next, moral message of this film. Number one, this film teaches that Allah has planned everything and Allah know what is best for you. Number two, from this film you can also learn that don't for other people to love you, because that's not always good. Number three, This film provides many benefits and value for the picture of Islam, that is Rahmatan lil Alamin, which can increase or strengthen faith for Muslims, especially those who are new to emigrating or even those who have already emigrated. Number 4, this film teach you to appreciate God's love for these people, respect parents, and value friendship between people. The score of this movie is 7 out of 10. Overall, the film is fun, entertaining, although there are some parts that are generic. Thank you for your attention. I will return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. That's the explanation from Group A. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes and shortcomings. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.